Hello everyone. Welcome back. My DiyTop1 channel to share interesting tips in life. I'm going to share with you today a trick about antennas. When the TV has no signal, this is my TV without that antenna. When it's turned on, there's no signal. I can't see the channel. In this video, I'm going to make a manual antenna at home. I can watch TV when there is no signal. Let's start the video. Take time to understand each step. If you're having trouble with anything, let me know in the comments, and I'll help you. Which country are you from? Leave a comment. Your voice is below the comments, so I can make some more subtitles about your water. I'm happy to talk to people from all over the world. Let's share some interesting tips. Help in life. More specifically, you can save money. Let's wrap the copper core in a spring. When making antennas, these copper wires are very important. It's an indispensable tool. Let's fix the spring we just wrapped into the plug. Next, we're going to do the antenna wires. Let's cut the outer shell using the copper core on the inside. Please follow along, step by step, to avoid making a mistake. This part is very important. We've completed the connector to plug into the TV. Next is the step. Fix this antenna into a wooden stand. Thank you for watching all the videos. If you find it helpful, click like and subscribe to a channel to support me. Let everyone know about this trick. I wish you success.